Hello and welcome to another Tech Walk here at the SPS 2025. It's Thursday, it's our last day at the fair, and I'm very happy to guide you here or to walk you through our area of power and efficiency. Let's start with a question. Have you ever experienced an unexpected production stop? Well, energy is today more than just a cost factor. It is your key to a sustainable, to a secure, and to a competitive production. Together, let's explore how the right solutions can help you optimize your energy flows to reduce your costs and future-proof your operations. Let's start with the foundation of everything, the foundation of a successful production, a reliable power supply. A reliable supply of energy, and after all, even the most advanced automation is only as good as the power behind it. So let's take a look at power reliability, and I need to check how we can take a look at this exhibit because you see it's already pretty crowded here. So the increasing power consumption and dynamic processes contribute to grid interruptions. Surges can cause enormous damage, and this results into costs running into millions. Let's see how we can take your system availability to the next level. And we see it over here. Maybe you can come a little bit closer so that we can see what we offer for you. This is our power reliability portfolio. It combines high performance solutions with maximum system availability, from reliable surge and device protection to modern power supply systems and intelligent energy monitoring. The focus is on three functions: protect, supply, monitor, and this is what we see in the next minutes. We have here three examples for power reliability. We have a compact solution over there, we have our communicative solution over here, and right in the middle you see our safe spacing solution. On their own, each of our power reliability products ensure superior system availability. However, when you use them together, they have even more advantages, and this is what we will see. For the power supply, we offer modern power electronics and a communicative 24-volt supply system, and this is what we see over here. Let's try if we can get a view on our products. So this is where you see a perfect team. This is our Quint Power and our Kemperac device circuit breaker. They enable simple and cost-effective integration of the power supply into the network protocol of the circuit breaker system. We have more highlights, just to name a few. So the portfolio is, for example, completed by innovations such as the Trio DC UPS with integrated power supply and battery module. It combines signaling, diagnostics, and connection to IPCs and PLCs, as well as a cold start function. So this was the first area. Now coming to the area of protection, and let us see where we can get a look on our products here. This looks good. So here in the functional area protection, we have solutions for surge protection for MCR applications and powerful power supplies. And a special highlight is our systemic thermal magnetic device circuit breakers, PTCB-TM, and I'm very happy that I pronounced this word correctly, to be honest. It creates more space in the control cabinet. You see it over here, or maybe not, because as we can see, many people are very interested in this solution. They are ideal for higher currents, and as I said, they give you more space in the control cabinet as they are very, very narrow. Thanks to electrical isolation and simple current monitoring, they provide a very reliable protection. And last but not least, I told you we have the area of monitoring. I guess we will not try to walk over there again because it's pretty crowded here. So this is where we focus on innovative energy and power measurement technology for early fault detection and optimization of energy flows. This is, we are just a few seconds, new in the range, the MPro AC energy meters for cost center specific billing. Pretty hard words for the third day of the fair. So let's summarize what we saw until now. Reliable power supply is the foundation of everything else. It keeps your production running, it protects your equipment, and it just gives you peace of mind. So it helps you in general to stay in control. And now we will walk over here to another topic, and this is DC technology. Why is direct current becoming such a big topic in industry is the question, and the answer is simple. DC technology helps reduce energy losses, recover braking energy, thank you, and integrate renewable sources like photovoltaics or battery storage directly without unnecessary conversion losses. And this is what we see here. Let's change positions. It's not that easy in a live stream, especially with so huge exhibits, but I really like this one. It shows very well how DC technology works. So you can integrate renewable sources and all of that without unnecessary conversion losses as you have it usually. So it's all about getting the most out of every kilowatt. Another question to you. I started with a question and now I have another question to you. What do you think, how much energy can DC technology save in a typical production like this? I give you a few seconds. Actually, it is up to 8%. So you can save up to 8% according to studies, and I think this is also a good reason to think about the use of DC technology. It is not just a trend, in my opinion. I think this is really a strategic decision for your future. It positions your production for higher efficiency, sustainability, and seamless integration of renewables. So DC grids are a real game changer. Now, what is Phoenix Contact doing for DC grids? Well, we have a comprehensive, perfectly coordinated product portfolio for DC grids, starting from protection and switching devices to monitoring and control solutions. And beyond hardware, we also offer software and connectivity tools that make your DC system intelligent and future-proof. And now this was very generic. Let's take a closer look at the products we really offer. We have some highlights here at the fair. Of course, we cannot always show everything, but I picked a few highlights for DC Grid. And this is the very first one we have. Thank you very much. We have our ARC Zero connectors here. They ensure maximum safety in DC grids by really suppressing dangerous arcs. So usually if you would use a usual connector, there would be a very bright arc when unplugging these connectors, and this is why we have our ARC Zero connector for maximum safety in DC grids. And I would say we go to another exhibit and take a closer look at all the other products we offer for DC technology. And I think we will have the opportunity to see a few products over here. So starting with our ELR HDC, it's the big one over there, is a circuit breaker that switches loads efficiently in DC networks, increasing component lifespan and ensuring smooth operation. More than that, we have our M-Pro DC energy meter. It's over here. This is closer to me. It makes it easier. It enables direct measurement of currents and voltages up to 650 or 1000 volt DC. And last but not least, of course, PLC Next technology, our open ecosystem that controls and monitors your entire DC system in real time. So this was all about DC technology. DC technology helps you to reduce costs, reduce energy losses, to integrate renewables and prepare your production for tomorrow's requirements. And now, we nearly saw half of this portfolio. Now let's go over to our battery energy storage systems. And this is where we talk about flexibility, because we just saw how DC technology makes energy flows more efficient, and now the question is how we get it more flexible. How can you store energy when it's available and use it exactly when you need it? This is the question here, and this is where battery energy storage systems come into play. We all knew renewables are volatile, and batteries solve exactly this challenge. They add flexibility to your energy demand. And we have a very good overview over our portfolio over here, starting from BPC connectors. They safely and easily connect battery modules with maintenance-free friendly design. We have our Trio HP and Charx Power. They charge and discharge your battery energy storage system precisely and efficiently. We have the Trio Power for panel mounting. And we have our PLC Next control over here to safely control the charging and discharging process of the battery storage system and to ensure optimized energy management. So, Battery energy storage system make your energy supply flexible, reliable, and sustainable. They help you balance your supply and demand, they integrate renewables, and prepare for a future where energy is fully electric. And now let's take a look at another option, how to work or how to add flexibility to your energy system. And this is the topic of hydrogen, of Power-to-X. And we see another group here on our booth. So Power-to-X, let's maybe take a stop over here, converts excess electricity into hydrogen. This makes energy storable, transportable, and usable. And Power-to-X is a key technology for decarbonizing industry and transportation. At the exhibit here, we show how automation and connectivity make the process efficient, safe, and scalable from data acquisition to remote maintenance. We make your Power-to-X application available, secure, and ready for the future. And more than that, our experts support you from planning to commissioning. Now let's talk about products. Let's make it a little bit more tangible. What do we offer for Power-to-X? For example, PLC Next technology. We were already talking about that at some other exhibits, and also here our automation solution helps automate your Power-to-X plant flexibly and securely from data acquisition to control. More than that, Charks. It provides a reliable and efficient power supply for your electrolyzer steps. MGuard Secure Cloud, another topic. It enables a secure encrypted remote access to your plants no matter where you are. This makes maintenance and support flexible and efficient. And last but not least, I already said it, it's not only about hardware, it's not only about products, we also offer consulting and engineering. That means that our experts support you from planning to commissioning your Power-to-X plant so you can comply with all standards. So my voice is not that strong anymore. I would say we go to our last station coming from Power-to-X, and now we will walk across our booth to the PLC Next technology area. If you joined me already yesterday, this is where we were as well. But as it is the heart of most applications, I would say we take another step, or we will take another station there. So PLC Next technology is the basis for all of these applications. I already said it. It's an open ecosystem for next generation industrial automation, and it combines hardware, software, a digital app store, and a global community. I think we found a very good spot to end our walk here. So PLC Next technology, I said it combines hardware, software, an app store, and our community. It collects and analyzes energy data to make informed decisions. It helps you manage energy flows in real time to optimize energy efficiency. It reduces the dependence on the public grid and increases your self-consumption. So a lot of good reasons for PLC Next technology. It is particularly well suited when it comes to scaling systems and adapting to different requirements regarding cybersecurity, functional safety, or explosion protection. So what can we offer here? On the first hand, we have a full range of PLC Next controllers, from compact units for small applications to high-performance systems with safety and redundancy features. And we even have a PLC Next control for energy applications compliant with IEC 61850, for example, for a local substation, leak detection, and so on. We have our PLC Next Engineer. This is our engineering software which combines configuration and programming and simulation in one tool. It integrates with Codesys, with Visual Studio, and with MATLAB. Third, the PLC Next Store. This is where we have over 220 apps that extend your controller's capabilities from visualization to AI. And we have our PLC Next Community, the global innovation network with over 6,000 members, more than 36 app developers, and strong partners like Festo and Yaskawa. So we're coming to the end of our tour right here. You see, or you can learn more about PLC Next technology in energy applications in our live stream at 2:30 p.m. So you're really invited to join that live stream as well. And I would say, as it gets more and more crowded here at our booth, I will say goodbye to you. Thank you very much for joining our walk across our booth. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I will see you in the other live streams as well. So take care and goodbye.